In this video, I'm going to be showing you a strategy that you can use to make money on the Temu affiliate program. Now there's people literally using this exact strategy to make thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars per month from the Temu affiliate program, since they pay very well. And I'll show you exactly how they do it and how you can too, completely for free without needing to invite any of the friends that you know in real life. Now to do this, we are going to be using Pinterest, and I'll show you exactly how this works and how you can maximize this strategy. So first you need to go to either the Temu app or the Temu website. On the Temu app you need to click U or something in the bottom, and then it says affiliate click for cash. On the website just scroll down to the bottom of the page, and I recommend doing it on the website since that is easiest, but just scroll all the way to the bottom, and then under company info you will see affiliate and influencer earn commission. Now make sure to watch until the end so that you know every single step in this process and you can do the exact same thing. Now once you are here, a very important thing to do is to click pick items. But before doing that, you can see you will earn between 5 and 20% commission on orders placed within 30 days of your referral downloading the app. Now on top of that, you will get a €2 download reward, which is the main thing in my opinion. And if just 1,000 people per month just download the app without ordering anything, you will already make €2,000 per month. So that is a huge bonus. Now from here, what you want to go and do is click on pick items. And now the way that we are going to be promoting these products from Temu is by using Pinterest. Now it's important to know that on Pinterest, kind of aesthetic pictures are what work best. For example, you can see some of those right here. So if you have a product such as a rug right here, that would work perfectly on Pinterest. So that's what we're going to focus on. So my recommendation is on Temu, in this pick and share item section, I would not go with something like automotive or men, since I believe 75 or even 80% of Pinterest users are women. So I would focus on products that women may be interested in. So for example, in Office, I could find one of these notebooks, and I actually have an exact example of someone that is selling this product right here. Now you will see this is a pretty cheap product of €4.59, and that means that you won't earn that much, you will earn 91 cents. But again, if someone just downloads the app, you already make €2, and that is where you are going to make the bulk of the money. So you can see the product right here, and you can just promote this exact product. Now I've got one page open right here. You can see this is a pin on Pinterest that is actually being seen by people. Now this is from Etsy, and you can see this is the exact same product. If I go onto Etsy, you can see this is just the same product that we have here on Temu with the deer icon or something like that, and it says notebook. You can see that is exactly what we have here on Pinterest as well. So that should tell you that this definitely works. So now you may be asking, how do you actually promote it? What I recommend you to do is to find the most aesthetic looking picture from the pictures that you have here on the Temu post. So for example, I will just find one. So in my opinion, all of these are not that aesthetic, although this one right here could work. I'm just going to find a different Temu product that is pretty much the same. For example, this one right here. I think this image right here would work better. So now what you want to go and do is right click on the image if you're using desktop, and then click save image as, and then just save it to your downloads. So after doing that, you want to open up Pinterest, and then we are going to create a pin. So click create in the top left. From here you can just drag in the download that we just did. So then you will see it right here. And now it's important to have a title that people are actually searching for. Now this specific product is an A5 notebook, so you can see vintage A5 leather bound notebook. So then what I recommend is open up Pinterest and search for vintage A5, and then usually you will find something. Now with the word vintage there's nothing, so if I just remove that, you can see A5 notebook. So you can do cover, template, mockup, aesthetic. So let's say A5 notebook aesthetic. And you can actually see the exact image right here to a Temu link, and this one to Etsy. So people are already doing this, and that is what shows you that this actually works. You can also see people using AliExpress, Etsy, Amazon is also often used. So this is the point, people are actually looking for this, that's why it showed up as a keyword. And now you can see people are actually using affiliate marketing to make money right here. And that is what we are going to do as well. So now you just want to take this keyword and copy it, and go to the pin and add that as the title. Then in the description, you want to again include the title. You can write a little bit about it as well. So for example, here I would add the word vintage, and then for example 200 pages, so a little bit more details, and then say something like you can get it here with a discount. And this is where we're going to add the link to the Temu product, although you can also add it right there. So on Temu, we have now found this product right here. So it's the vintage A5 product. So then you want to click share, and then here you will get a link. So this is the item link. Just go and get it right here. Now you could also choose to get this entire text. I don't recommend it because I think this right here just looks a little bit better. Now you can add some emojis. Now on Pinterest, it is important to add this is an affiliate marketing pin into the description. Then for the link section, again, take the Temu link, paste it in there. Then you can add it to a board, for example, notebook, and click create. Then you can search for a tag. So let's see, notebook is a tag. So just add between 3 and 5 tags right there. Under more options, I wouldn't really change that. So now we have this pin right here. Now just click publish. And now what will happen is that this pin is going to rank for this keyword right here, A5 notebook aesthetic. Now usually this does take between 2 and 4 weeks to fully rank, but then it will show up at the top of the page right here. And here you have an example of someone that has already done it with this product, but you can literally do this with any product on Temu that people are searching for on Pinterest. So for example, I could also go into cell phone and accessories and find a product right here. Now I think these accessories aren't really aesthetic looking, so these are probably not going to work, but you could find something like bags right here and then find something that is unique that people will actually search for. So for example, this product could work, which is a digital clock. And if you have a good picture, such as this one right here, then again, just go and save the image. Now the trick with this strategy is to just do this hundreds of times, and a bunch of your pins are going to rank. And now you just search for the keyword. So this one right here is a digital alarm clock, digital alarm clock. And you can see if you search digital alarm clock aesthetic, you will find a bunch of similar images to the ones that we have right there. And you can see this one as well is AliExpress, IKEA. So all of these are also, again, affiliate marketing posts. And that is how you use this strategy. So after the pins will rank, people are going to find your product and they will see the product right here, and then the link will show up, and if they then click on it, they will then find the product, and if they just download the app, again, you will earn 2 euros or whatever it is in your currency, and then when they order it, you will earn between 5 and 20%. Now, if you're wondering how the payouts work, you just want to go to the affiliate and influencer earn commission part, and you can get paid out to PayPal. So here you have your available balance, you can then click withdraw, and then you can see you will get it to PayPal. Now this is my second account, so therefore I only have 3 euros, which you already get when you just sign up for the affiliate program. But basically you just want to have a PayPal account, and then you can get paid to that PayPal account. So now you know exactly how people are making a ton of money using the Temu affiliate program, and how you can do the exact same. So just go ahead and do this hundreds of times literally, and a bunch of your pins are going to rank. Now don't forget to mention that the pins are affiliate marketing pins, just like I did in this one. So people can get it here and it says this is an affiliate marketing pin. Then they go to Temu and they will find the product right here, and they can order any of these. And even if they do other orders within the first 30 days of signing up through your link, you will earn commissions on all of those. So if they just order the product that you linked right now, but in 2 weeks they order some kind of a rug, for example, for 50 euros, then you will earn another about 10 euros from that. So that can really stack up pretty quickly. So now you know how you can make money on the Temu affiliate program. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.